Hey guys!
Hello guys, so welcome to my channel Gambler Ganula. So today we are doing epic popcorn eating challenge. This is my sister and he's my cousin brother, and they will eat the popcorn with 2 glasses of panna. And okay, let's go. Okay, three, three, two, one, go. Come on, come on, come on. Who will win this challenge? Come on, come on, come on. 30 seconds, 34 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 56 seconds, 57 seconds. 1 minute. Come on. Look like my cousin brother has finished his first. My little sister has not done it. 1 minute 25 seconds, 26 seconds. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Look like my brother has done it. Two minutes.
I cannot do this one. हो गया
जीप में है, बजाओ. पूरा का जीप में बजाओ. Okay, so my brother has won and my little sister has lost this challenge. So stopwatch. Oh, I forgot to. So he has done it. He has done it in around 3 minutes, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. So and he's the winner, and the loser gets the punishment. She will eat popcorn with water in it. Think about that, water. So I will go get the water and she will drink with water. No, what punishment? You have to take the punishment.
How can I do that, yeah? And I have not finished my popcorn till now. You know? Because there are too much loser.
So here's the water and it goes inside. And she have to eat it whole, whatever is left. Let's see. How's that?
They're not too much bad.
Now let eat it. Eat that. Full, full, full.
But they are like not spongy.
You have to eat it full. Tell something to the camera. You have won this challenge.
मैं जीत गया. Tony Stark is the villain.
Wakanda forever.
No, Tony Stark.
Wakanda forever.
Tony Stark forever.
Wakanda forever.
Tony Stark forever.
But what is going on in this? Will she able
Show this
to
camera.
finish this? She have to drink the water also. Whole. Let's see.
I just drank water before the video.
No, you have to finish it.
Finish it now.
Come on.
Come on, you do it.
Come on. So this was the epic popcorn eating challenge, and my brother Gaurav Bhatt has won this, and she's the loser. She always loses. So yeah, like,
Tony Stark.
share, and subscribe to my channel Garula.
If you like Tony Stark, you should like this video. And
If you love Tony Stark and want him to be alive in the upcoming movie, and subscribe to his channel, Gaurav Bhatt. His name will be there. No, not Gaurav, but Deepak Bhatt. His name will be there. Deepak Bhatt, his father's name will be there in description. No, not in. Bye. Like,
for Tony
share,
Stark.
and subscribe.